Welcome back to Applying Life. I'm Carl, and we're back in the kitchen. Today, I'm making a Southwest black bean salad, sometimes called Mexican black bean salad. And I'm starting out with the controversial ingredient, cilantro. Know your audience, because some people, this tastes like soap to them. But we're a cilantro household. It doesn't taste like soap to us. So I'm gonna be throwing it in there, and we're gonna enjoy it. But man, my mom makes her cough. So know your audience. So I've got some black beans in there, got some cilantro in there. Now we're adding some limes. Love this squeezer. My wife was like, "You really do like that. Is that your new favorite kitchen tool?" Yes, it is. Got it for her because of her hand strength, and I keep using it. So it's one of those gifts, you buy it for someone else and you end up using it yourself. I'm sure you guys have done that before a time or two. Throw in a cup of sweet corn. Gives it some nice flavor, but also gives it a little crunch. And I've got some tomatoes I'm gonna get in there. Once again, color, flavor, just start with that. If I need more, I'll add it. Salt, pepper, smoked paprika going in. Now it's time to give it a stir and start to see where I'm at. Some more color and crunch. I diced up some yellow bell pepper, so I'm going to throw that in there. That and some green onion. Loading it up with flavor, colors, and textures. So things that'll really spice up your salad, you could drizzle some olive oil, mix that in. You could throw in some avocado or garnish with avocado when you're serving it. I'm getting pretty close. My ratios are looking right. Next step is going to be to taste test. Moment of truth. Time to see how I did. What a great summer meal. Love having these kinds of salads for those nice warm months. Wow.